Charlie, I just got my video taken with my iPhone. So what is the next step on the process?
Cool, brother. So you did the video.
I did, yes.
Okay, we got you all set up with one tap. You did the video.
Correct.
Did you give them your bio and all your information?
I already did that.
Perfect. So now we need to get a headshot of you. So,
Okay.
G, can we take them and get a simple headshot?
Yeah, let's go back to the same location for the light.
So now let me just kind of cue everybody in.
Okay.
This gentleman just heard me speak.
Absolutely, yes.
My workshop, Expose and Close.
Correct.
How'd I do?
And, you did great.
The whole topic of the workshop was how to inexpensively or organically market your goods, your products, your services. Now, you told me you want to get into the consulting business.
Correct. Yes, that's my purpose.
Now, in sharing your story with me, you've worked for some pretty big companies.
Yeah, I did for Ford. I did for Palliser, for Zodiac Aerospace, Safran, CF. Those are really manufacturing companies for 6,000 employees. And we will around the world, doing that for 30 years.
Right. And you're from
Mexico.
So you speak Spanish, you speak English, any other languages?
That pretty much those two.
Okay.
Yes.
So you have the edge on me because I only speak one language, and that's English.
Okay.
But once in a while, when I need to speak French, I call my partner who's
absolutely, yeah.
We call him a Frenchman. Get a shot of that handsome,
we met.
handsome guy right there. So that being said, I'm glad you're on board on One Tap Connect. What this is going to do is help you brand, position, and differentiate yourself as we discussed. Now, you just shot a 60-second video, right, with your iPhone, correct?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, now we're going to take that video. You're going to post it on YouTube.
Okay.
So you have presence on YouTube.
Okay.
And then we're going to upload that to your One Tap site. You're introducing yourself. You're tapping their phone. Your portfolio pops up. Now they can take your 60-second introduction with them to potentially share with somebody else that they think might need your products or services, or might be the decision maker to bring you in as a consultant. Does that make sense?
That makes sense because that caught my eye. Because normally you do the business card, or you just introduce yourself, but you know where credit cards go. They go in the desk, they go to the trash, they go on the top of the other ones.
Yep.
And I believe sharing that through an app, that's going to give me a better impression of professionalism, and we're showing that we're going to the next level.
No question.
Not just staying the way. I'm not saying it's bad, the old way. I'm an old way guy, but still, this is better.
Right on. So what we're going to do now is G's going to take a headshot of you with the iPhone. Doesn't have to be fancy, right? Although he looks like $1 billion. It's going to be a great shot. Then we're going to take that, put that on as your profile picture.
Okay, got it.
We're going to build out your One Tap with your new video. And then we're going to put all of your social proof, the logos of all the companies that you've worked with. So when you say hi to somebody and they say, do you have a card, and you tap their phone, you have immediate impact and influence. You're positioning yourself as an expert, right? And they're going to know your brand. You're going to position yourself potentially with that company and differentiate yourself as the logical choice. We're going to make an effort to take all of this and get you done before this afternoon, so you can use this afternoon at the show as well as tomorrow. And then we're going to want to record you again and tell us your experience now in using that versus a paper card.
No, Mr. Cena, I appreciate your help.
All right.
I mean, you're opening doors that I didn't have, and opening my mind, and it's all about giving and receiving. Give and receive. Give. Later you'll get it back.
Sounds great, brother. G's going to take care of you.
Thank you very much.
We'll see you real soon.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Hey, it's Charlie, and thanks for watching. And if you like the content, what I have to say, hit the subscribe button. And more importantly, book a demo so we can show you how to brand position and differentiate yourself in your space with impact and influence so you can close more deals at higher price points.